In this video, let's understand the difference between a pure substance and a mixture. Substances that are made up of a single element or compound are called pure substance, whereas mixture is a combination of several elements and compound. Pure substance can be classified as solid, liquid and gases, whereas mixture can be classified as heterogeneous and homogeneous mixtures. The physical property and the chemical property of pure substance are constant. The physical property and the chemical property of the mixtures vary based on the elements and the compound present in it. It is not possible to separate pure substance by a physical process. It is possible to separate mixtures by physical process like evaporation, magnetic separation, etc. Gold, water, hydrogen, gas are some of the example of pure substance, whereas oil and water, sand and sugar are example of mixtures.